Why do some people earning $2,000 a month sleep peacefully, while others earning $10,000 are constantly stressed about money? The answer isn't income. It's a hidden financial algorithm. And minimalists follow one rule that quietly keeps them out of financial trouble. Imagine two people earning exactly the same salary. One of them panics every time an unexpected bill arrives. Their credit card balance keeps growing, payday never comes soon enough, and they constantly wonder where all their money went. The other person earns the exact same amount, yet they have an emergency fund, invest every month, and rarely worry about money. Same income, completely different financial lives. Most people assume the second person must earn more, be luckier, or simply be better with money. But that's usually not the reason. The difference is often one simple rule that many minimalists follow without even thinking about it. When people think about becoming financially secure, they usually focus on one thing: making more money, get a better job, start a side hustle, ask for a raise. But there's a problem. If higher income automatically created financial stability, then high earners would rarely struggle with money. Yet many doctors, athletes, celebrities, executives, and entrepreneurs have faced serious financial problems despite earning millions. Because income is only one part of the equation, the hidden variable is spending. As income rises, spending often rises with it. Economists call this lifestyle inflation. A bigger salary leads to a bigger house, a newer car, more subscriptions, more expensive vacations, and higher monthly commitments. Soon, the extra income disappears into a more expensive lifestyle. The problem wasn't a lack of income. It was a system that consumed every increase in income. Minimalists approach money differently. Their core rule is surprisingly simple. Don't increase your lifestyle just because your income increases. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" they ask, "Will this actually improve my life enough to justify its long-term cost?" That single question changes everything. Minimalism isn't about owning as little as possible, it's about being intentional. Every purchase competes with your future savings, investments, opportunities, and peace of mind. Minimalists understand that every dollar spent today is a dollar that can't work for them tomorrow. Here's the invisible system most people never notice: higher spending, higher monthly expenses, smaller savings rate, little or no emergency buffer, greater financial stress, more debt and poor decisions, financial instability. Now compare that with the minimalist system. Intentional spending, lower monthly expenses, higher savings rate, emergency fund grows, more money available for investing, compound growth over time. Notice something interesting? Nothing in this algorithm requires earning a massive income. Financial stability begins with controlling the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap becomes your freedom. The wider it becomes, the more resilient your finances become. Imagine two friends who each earn $3,000 every month. The first spends almost everything. After rent, car payments, subscriptions, shopping, restaurants, and impulse purchases, they save just $100 each month. The second chooses a simpler lifestyle. They drive an older car, avoid unnecessary subscriptions, wait before making non-essential purchases, and prioritize value over status. They save $900 every month. After 1 year, the first person has saved about $1,200. The second has saved nearly $11,000. The only difference was the system they followed. Give that difference 5 or 10 years, especially with consistent investing, and their financial lives may look completely different. Why this rule works psychologically? Minimalists aren't simply resisting purchases. They're resisting lifestyle inflation. Every new recurring expense creates pressure to keep earning at the same pace, or faster. When your monthly obligations are lower, you gain flexibility. You can handle emergencies more easily. You can leave a job that no longer fits. You can invest during market downturns instead of selling out of fear. You can make decisions based on opportunity instead of desperation. That's what financial stability really looks like. How to apply this rule? You don't need to become an extreme minimalist. Start with 3 simple habits. First, follow the 48-hour rule. Before buying anything you don't truly need, wait 2 days. Many impulse purchases lose their appeal with time. Second, whenever your income increases, direct most of that increase toward savings or investments before expanding your lifestyle. Third, review every recurring expense every few months. Ask yourself whether it still delivers enough value to deserve a permanent place in your budget. Small decisions repeated consistently create powerful financial outcomes. Minimalists rarely stay financially stable because they own fewer things. They stay financially stable because they follow a different financial algorithm. Most people use every raise to upgrade their lifestyle. Minimalists use every raise to strengthen their future. That's the real secret. Financial stability isn't built by earning more alone. It's built by protecting the space between what you earn and what you spend. And that single gap quietly determines whether money controls your life, or gives you the freedom to live it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more breakdowns of the hidden systems that shape business, money, and everyday life. Because once you understand the algorithm, you stop reacting to outcomes, and start designing them.